Wagwan people, wagwan. I hope you're alright, I hope you're doing okay. So watch now, if it's your first time here, so subscribe now, click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. You know the jaggings. Some people, Usain Bolt made a post on Instagram earlier today, and Popcaan go say something under the post, and it a draw a whole heap of attention. You see it, so we're gonna talk about it because me have to laugh now. But before we even jump into that, I want to check out this artist here. Him name KingBreezy. I have a song name and a music video named Top Notch. Check it out.
Top notch, evidently, custom roll it in on the
Rich badness, literally. And the first one here I come talk about this artist here named KingBreezy, talented artist, You see me, rich artist. And them man they say fully rich badness. You see it. My viewers, subscribers. You see a music video here in a normal. You know why in a normal? Because it creative. You see it. It clean like a Jesus Police record. Not only that, the song a complement the music video. You see me? My viewers, subscribers. I want to check out him Instagram page also. A link will be in the description. I want to go over to him Vivo and check out some other music and music video him do. Fully rich badness the world don't know. You see it. KingBreezy, wicked piece artist. Check him out, people. Make we move on to what we have to talk about now. Some of you are subscribers. Yo, I want to know interact with that video here. I want to know talk to me in the comments section below. So watch now. I know say you Usain Bolt try out this artist thing. Who no know? I guess you probably not a social media type of person, or you just not born yet. But my viewers, subscribers. So Usain Bolt I take up this artist thing here. You see me? We see a lot of instances where him put out or him produce with him because him can't make with him. You see me? Now we realize that him a try sing now. You see, which can't say nothing. I mean, like everybody do music now. Probably it's a way of reaching out to more people. You see, by music, because people is a big fan of music. So I don't know. But watch now. He met the post number of viewers, subscribers. So him said this. I'm not gonna play the video. You see, but yeah, as I can see on the screen. So I must say, yo, living the dream. Music video out now. YouTube. Country youth. Link in bio. Some of you are subscribers. While he met the post and thing, you see it. Popcaan. Choose to go under the post now, you see it. I mean, you know on Instagram, and you know the thing of people entitled for comment under anything you post, unless you turn the comments off. So, boops now. Popcaan gonna make a post and say, yo, with all due respect, legend, because you know, of course, he's a legend, I feel like if you just help some youth with real musical talent, them there, enough. Nah, NJ, I'm a fan, but please, just give some hungry youth who actually have talent that platform there. Happy New Year, my viewers, subscribers. So watch I know. Yo, my people, this kind of draw a whole heap of attention. A whole heap of backlash Popcaan came on just by making that post. Now, may I give you two sides of a story here. Is Popcaan really actually talking Usain Bolt himself and say, yo, me feel like you fi bust some hungry youths who have musical talent? Is Popcaan referring to Usain Bolt or the next hombre we are feature with Usain Bolt? That's a good question to ask. Now, my viewers, subscribers, let me first just say this. You see, let me just first say this from a different perspective, rather from a Usain Bolt point of view. Now, Usain Bolt not entitled for help nobody. Him not obligated for help nobody. You get me? We know him have money, but I'm hard work and him talent get him all the money. Nobody never sponsor him or give him the money there. So him not obligated for help nobody. If him feel like him want to do music, him can do music. Even though him not a talent musically. If him feel like him want help out a nigga, when I'm bro them, yo, we do a music together, that's film business, because again, it's film money and it's film platform. You get me? So, me could just get that out of the way from now. You see me? We get that out of the way from now. Popcaan perspective now. Me kinda get to Popcaan, I say. You get me? Because we see a whole heap of celebrities who are not artists. Actually, I try push the genre, I try the music, but them don't have the talent. You get me? However, them have the money if they can push their music so it reach a bigger audience and also the platform where them have. Now, by Popcaan saying say yo and believe say yo him fi share in platform, you see it help out youth now get to our youth we need the boss to have a musical talent. Nothing is wrong with that because in all honesty, you have a whole heap of talented youth out here. We need the strength, we need a platform like what you see in both have. We need somebody to push them because they have real talent. You get me? Like for example, you just hear me talk about an artist named KingBreezy, a bad artist. You get me? However, it don't have the platform as yet for reach a certain amount of audience. You get me? So back to what we are saying. I kind of get to a Popcaan and say, I definitely get to him and say, you see it, and for everybody who are bash him still, we don't have to understand, say, yo, everything when the man say right there, say, it's just facts. Everything they say, it's not an opinion. Because really and truly, if he's referring to Usain Bolt, you see, not everybody have a musical talent, dog. You see it, like, not everybody can sing, not everybody can DJ. So, that's a fact. You get me? We don't know Usain Bolt of having a talent where music is concerned. We know him of being a track star and him can play football too and him be actually the cricketing. We don't know how that go. You get me? So Popcaan is nothing wrong there, so if he's also referring to the other nigga, me listen to the song. You get me? I mean, we all entitled to share our own opinion, but in regards to persons who have a much more talent where music is concerned, that's not an opinion, it's facts. You get me? So if you say about really and truly thinking it as if it's a diss, it's really not a diss because the man never come across how to say it now, in a way where much I disrespect you. You see it? All they must say is that we know you're a legend, bro. We respect you. All that's for you. You see it? But the platform where you have, you see it, you can share it with some youth to have the real talent. Even though, as I said earlier, a fee money, a fee platform, him decide who he want help or where he want do with it. But we all remember, say, yo, these are persons who are helping people on a daily basis. So we can't eradicate the facts here, them really help people. So how about helping some youths who have real talent? You get me I come from? You see, so me personally don't believe say it was a disrespect or a diss towards Usain Bolt, but more of just letting him know, say, you watch, you know, you can help out other youths, you know. You see it. I mean, I lie, Popcaan help a whole heap of youths. You see it. Popcaan help a whole heap of youths, so we can't say, yo, you know, Popcaan attack on Popcaan help nobody. Popcaan help a whole heap of youths, but with the platform where Usain Bolt have a bigger platform and him have a wider audience, a bigger reach. So him can push a whole heap of youth to have talent, and trust me, you see if him not lose, him make back the money there. You get me? Cause if him invest in some youth to have real talent, you see it, you have to get back your money because a real talent we talk about. And all the music thing go, you see once you have real talent and the support behind you, people are gonna support your music, people are gonna support you. We've been a seat. You see, but my viewers, subscribers, you see it, that's just my 2 cents. More know what you think about the matter. Comment in the comment section below, man. Until next time, just vibe, I'm out.